Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 11 captive screws from the bottom cover. Gently insert the opener pick between the bottom cover and the palm rest and slide along the edges to pop the bottom cover free. Gently pull back to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Raise the palm rest partway up and use your thumbs to apply forward pressure to slide the keyboard underneath the palm rest. Once the tabs are free enough, you can use a spudger to gently pry the keyboard free. Lay it down. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the keyboard from the motherboard. Remove one 3mm screw from the Wi-Fi card. Gently pull back to unplug the Wi-Fi card from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the touchpad cable from the motherboard. Unplug the speaker cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clip and unplug the USB-C port from the motherboard. Peel back the tape, flip open the locking clip, and unplug the LCD cable from the motherboard. Flip open the locking clips and unplug the daughterboard cables from the motherboard. Unscrew 2 captive screws from the USB-C port. Remove 4 3mm screws from the motherboard. Remove the USB-C port. Remove the bracket. And gently lift up and pull back on the motherboard, taking care not to bend or damage the ports. Replace the motherboard back into its port slots, and be sure to get all the cables out from underneath. Replace the bracket, and replace the 4 3mm screws. Replace the USB-C port back into its slot. Replace the bracket, and tighten the 2 captive screws. Plug the Wi-Fi card back into the motherboard. and replace the one 3mm screw. Plug the speaker back into the motherboard. Plug the touchpad cable back into the motherboard. Plug the USB-C port back into the motherboard. Plug the LCD cable back into the motherboard. And plug the daughterboard cables back into the motherboard. Plug the new keyboard into the motherboard. And slide the top of the keyboard underneath the palm rest before replacing the bottom and sliding the tabs back into their slots. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the bottom cover and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 11 captive screws in the bottom cover.